The College of Automotive Management provides a unique package of legal compliance and ethics certification training and testing, ad review services, and a compliance hotline for dealer principals and general managers. We want to help protect dealers that are under attack from the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau, the FTC, and other federal and state regulators including the DMV and Attorney General's office. But more importantly, a company-wide commitment to ethics is the very first step towards higher profits per sale, higher closing ratios on existing traffic, and employees that bring in their own customers to increase the business. After training thousands of dealership employees, we've determined that employees inevitably fall into one of the following three categories. Number one, employees that don't realize they're using unethical or illegal methods to sell cars. These employees don't intend to create problems for you or themselves, and they don't understand why customers don't call them back. They're simply ignorant of the rules or how to succeed in their career. They just repeat what they've been told or they've heard, and unfortunately, ignorance is not a defense, and more of these employees are being fined or prosecuted for their own actions. They at least deserve a chance at success. Employers that agree can now afford to finally provide formal compliance and ethics training to all of the employees in this category. Category number two, employees that are unethical on purpose. Dealers really don't know how many of these employees they have working for them right now. Due to the methods and tactics of this group, employees with good character are driven away from the dealership along with their customer base. And all other customers leave frustrated, never to return. Or worse, they tell their friends not to either. These employees also cost the dealership a fortune and increase the odds of investigation, fines, and penalties. Category number three, employees that understand the rules and have the skills to maximize gross profit while developing lasting personal relationships with every customer. This is every dealer's ideal employee, and the college has produced thousands of them since 1992. Formal training can achieve this result. We can help all of your employees ultimately make it to this third category with an affordable and practical plan. The first step of that plan begins with our unique and practical legal compliance training, testing, and certification program. First of all, this solution is practical. Training can be completed in 4 hours or less by every employee that interacts with customers or contracts or structures loan terms from the desk. Second, the training is online. Employees can train anytime at work or at home. Next, the training is summarized, so employees can quickly learn what applies to them based on a job description without having to read all the full legal code. Next, the training is comprehensive. There are more topics covered than any other compliance training program with links to full legal codes for reference. And finally, the training is ongoing. 1 year of continuous updates via daily compliance blog posts are provided to all employees to keep everyone informed of the current issues. All students are tested after the compliance and ethics training until they achieve 100% test scores to confirm they understand the rules that govern your business. Every employee then signs a code of ethics and takes personal responsibility for their own actions. The code of ethics includes their commitment to report any unethical or illegal behavior they may witness. That finally gives you, the dealer, eyes and ears on every employee and every transaction. Dealers will be in a position to produce the strongest evidence possible of a culture of compliance, if ever challenged by a federal regulator or attorney. Over the course of the next year, there's going to be multiple circumstances when a leader at the dealership will want to speak to a qualified attorney or a legal compliance expert in a moment's notice. The college provides a compliance hotline for just $395 per rooftop per month, and all responses are provided in writing with a carbon copy of the email sent to the dealer principal and general manager. There is no limit to the number of inquiries per month from dealer principals or general managers or other employees the dealer designates if they are compliance certified by the College of Automotive Management. And once again, this hotline is manned by our widely published legal compliance experts, including our legal compliance attorney that has already been personally involved in multiple investigations by the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau, the CFPB, which all ended well for the defendant due to a documented culture of compliance. As you know, advertisements are the most visible dealership action a regulator or investigator can see. To help protect dealers and managers that are creating ads or promotional materials, the college provides an ad review service. The dealer can pay per ad or pay a monthly fee for multiple ad reviews each month. See the dealer agreement for details. As you can see, this is the only solution available to dealerships today that is affordable enough to train all employees. and provide the highest level of protection to the dealer. So with your permission, your College of Automotive Management representative will gather all the names and email addresses of the aforementioned employees to get them started in compliance and ethics training today.